we should get it, or we should prepare the table till we get the number greater than this 135. So let us move towards this table. Again you add 23 in it. 9 plus 3, 12, 1 is carried. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. This is 4 za. Again plus 23. 2 plus 3, 5, 9 plus 2, 11. This is 5 za. Plus 23. 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 1, 3, 138. It is 6 za. Again you add this 23 here. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 is carried. 3 plus 3, 6 and 1 will be as it is. This is 7 za. Plus 23. See, I should get 135. Here I got 138. But 138 I cannot subtract. So what I will do? I will subtract smaller number than this 138. That is, instead of 6 za, I will consider 5 za. 23 5 za 115. So 1 1 5. See, 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 1 2 and 1 minus 1 0. Now take this digit 8 down. Now we should get the number, exactly the number 208. Is it present there in the table of 23? We should check it. If it is not there, smaller than that, which is the number, can be subtracted, that we have to see. Now 3 plus 1, 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 will be as it is. This is 8 za. I will check again the next number. 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 is carried. 207. Okay, this is 9 za. And 23 tens are, it will be 230, which we cannot subtract from 208. So what I will do? I will subtract this 207. So put the quotient 9 and subtract 207 from 8. 8 minus 7, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So whatever we got here up, that is the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. Here we can write separately. Quotient is 2259 and remainder is equal to 1. Do you understand how to solve these sums? See, this will be perfect when you will do the revision properly. You will practice them properly. Then it will be done without any mistakes. So let's take a snapshot for this division problem. Now we are going to do the second sum. Okay, second problem. From this, try this exercise. See here, the second problem, that is 1 5 6 7 8 9 and again 2 divided by 312. Before this we have seen the 2-digit numbers as a divisor. Now here it is a 3-digit number. How to do it? See there, whenever, as I told you, if the divisor is a 2-digit number, you should consider 2-digit number here inside. But here it is a 3-digit number, so we should consider the 3-digit number inside also. Okay, this is 312 and this is 156, which is smaller than this divisor. The number inside should be the greater one than that. So we are going to see a 4-digit number here. Means smaller number cannot be divided by the greater number. Means 156 cannot be divided by 312. So I considered 4-digit number. Now we should prepare the table of 312 and then we should see which number we can subtract from this 1567. So I will prepare here 312's table. This is 1 za plus 312. This is 2s. Add again 312. This is 3s. This is 4s. See there, here 1, 5. Here it is 1, 2. Again I will add 3, 1, 2. I should get exactly this number or greater than that. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 is carried. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. And 1 will be as it is. This is 5s. See 1560. Here 1567. So we can subtract 1560. If you want to check the next number, it will be greater than this number. Can we subtract 1872? No. Okay, this is 6s. So we will select this 5s. So put the quotient 5s here and subtract from this 1560. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Let's take 8 down. Now 78 is smaller than this 312. So we'll put the quotient 0 here. Okay. So 312 zeros are 0. We should subtract 0. Now take this 9 down and check whether this 789 is present here in the table, or we should check which is the number can be subtracted from this 789. Check here, this is 936, which we cannot. Before that 624 is there, we can. So select this number, put the quotient 2s and subtract this 6 to 4. Okay. Now 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay. So we got the remainder 165. You should take down the next digit, that is 2. Now check 1652. From this which number we can subtract? Again we have to put the quotient 5s because this is 18 and this is 16. So we will again take this 5s. That is 1560 and minus it. 2 minus 0, 2. 5 will become 15. This 6 will become 5. 15 minus 6, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So here the quotient is 5025 and the remainder is 92. So write down quotient 5025 and the remainder is 92. See, if you will prepare the table properly, it's very easy to do. Okay, that should be done properly. So write the table aside and see, you don't rub these rough calculations when you are solving in the exam. Okay, whatever the rough calculations are there, it should be there nearby. You don't rub anything. Okay, use the right hand side for doing the rough calculations like this. Okay, and no need of erasing that all part. Okay, let it be there. You should select it from the table and write down the quotients properly, do the subtraction properly, and at last write the answer like this. Q is equal to, that is quotient and remainder in the box. Okay, we will see the next example. Before that, you take a snapshot. Now we are going to see exercise 3rd-D, question A, B. Okay, A and B we will solve here. Here exercise 3rd-D. Question number 1. that is divide. This is also same as we have done before. Check the first example. 23,375 divided by 12. I think you all know the table of 12. 12 and 23. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. 24 cannot be subtracted from 23. So 12 ones are 12. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Now take this 3 down. Okay. Now 12 table till 113. Do you know 12 table? 12 5s are 60. 12 6s are 72. 12 7s are 84. Okay. Then 12 8s are. All of you check here. Divide this 12. Okay. 12 9s are 108. Okay. If you don't know the table of 12, you can write it here. Check here. You can do in this way. If you do not remember it properly, you can write the table here aside. Okay. 12. See there. This is 113 and this is last is 120. We can't put the quotient 10. 12 9s are 108. So this 3 will become 13. This 1 will become 0. 13 minus 8. 5. And here 0 as it is 0. Now take this 7 down. Okay. Which number can be subtracted from this 57? Check here. Here 48. Okay. 12 4s are 48. 7 will become 17 and this 5 will become 4. 17 minus 8. How many it will be there? 9 and 4 minus 4, 0. Take this 5 down. Now 12 6, see. 12 8s are 96, we cannot, but 84. Okay. So 12 7s are 84. So check here. This will be the quotient and this will be the remainder. So right here. Quotient is equal to 1947 and a remainder is equal to 11. See, let's note down this sum also, or you can take a snapshot. Now we are going to do the next sum, that is example B here. Okay. See here. Maybe this place will be not sufficient, so I am going to rub this. Check here. 379,875 divided by 35. Here again I have to prepare the table of 35. Check here. Here 35 and here it is 37. Okay. 35, 37. So 35 ones are 35. I can subtract 35 from this 37. So 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Take this 9 down. Okay. Now 29. This is smaller than this 35. So put the quotient 0. See, when you will get the number smaller than the divisor, you should put the quotient 0. 35 zeros are 0 and subtract this 0. Okay. Again 29 will be as it is. Now take this 8 down. Now I should count the table of 35 till I get 298, or at least till I get the number which is greater than 298. So I'll add here, see 35, that is 70. This is 2s are. Again plus 35. This is 3s are. Again plus 35. This is 4s are. Again plus 35. That is 5s are. Again plus 35. That is 6s are. Again plus 35. This is 7s are. Okay. Again plus 35. That is 288 it is, and plus 35. That is 9s are. Now we have to check the number. Okay. We have to check the number greater than this 298 or the number exactly 298 is there in this table or not. Okay. 298 I cannot get here, but 298, from 298 which number we can subtract? 280. See, I have done the table till we get the number greater than this 298. This is 315 which is greater than this 298, but I cannot subtract this, so I will subtract this 280. Put the quotient 8 and minus 280. 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 2 0. Now again take the next digit down. 187. Is it there? 187? No. So 187, from that which number we can subtract? See, 210 is greater, but smaller than that is 175. So I will put the quotient 5s are and subtract this 175. 7 minus 5 2, 8 minus 7 1, 1 minus 1 0. Okay. Now I am going to take the next digit down, that is 5, and I am going to put the quotient. See, from, can we subtract this 125? Means 140 cannot be subtracted, so smaller than that 105. So put the quotient 3s up and subtract this 105 here. So you check, this will be the quotient and this will be the remainder. So here we are going to write the quotient is equal to 10853 and the remainder is equal to 20. See, I think you may feel it is very difficult, but as I told you, do the table properly and see the number which can be subtracted every time from that number. Okay, whatever the remainder you are getting, you have to take the next digit with you. Check that number exactly. If this number is not there, smaller than this 298, who is there? See, 298, first I have seen greater than 298 is 315. I can't. So before that, which is the number? 280. That I have subtracted. This trick you have to apply and do the divisions properly. So note down all these sums properly in your notebook and do the practice well. We will see the next examples in the next video. Thank you.